Good morning and welcome to yoga. This is a slow yoga stretch that you can do entirely in your bed to help you wake up and work through sore, achy, or stiff muscles. When you're ready, we'll begin in a child's pose. And you can do this even under your blankets if that's more comfortable for you. This child's pose, just separate your knees wide. Give yourself plenty of space in front of you so you can extend your arms out long. Rest your forehead down on the bed or on a pillow. And take a few deep breaths to completely relax. Softening through your hips and lower back. Your shoulders, chest, and jaw. And how you'd like to show up today. And slowly rise. Take a seat back on your heels. If that's just too much compression, you can take any other seated position that works for you. Hands on your knees for a couple of cat-cow spinal waves to wake up your spine. Exhale as you round your back, tuck your chin, press between your shoulder blades. Inhale as you roll your body forward, lifting your chest up, lift your chin up. Exhale to cat back, round your spine. Inhale to cow pose. One more time on your own, or take any other movement that calls out to you. And then come forward into a tabletop on your hands and knees. We'll move into a half pigeon, which can feel really comfortable when it's done on your bed. So bring your right knee forward. Open it up towards the upper right corner of your bed. Sink into your bed as you stay lifted. Support yourself with your hands. Feel your left hip flexor open. Even a gentle back bend, energizing your body and mind. And if it feels good, add some big neck circles. Move as slow as you'd like to go. Then come back up to center. Shift your weight onto your right side and facing the side of your bed, bring your right foot inside of your left inner thigh. And let's take a nice big hamstring stretch. First, instead of going over your left leg, let's just go straight forward. Slowly waking up your left hamstring. You might not go very far. Breathe into whatever you feel. Relax your shoulders and your jaw. And then rise back up. Turn to face your left foot and take a big inhale. Exhale, fold over your left leg. A little bit deeper of a hamstring stretch for just a couple of big breaths. Option to add a big side body stretch by opening your arm overhead, arcing into your right side body. As if you were reaching for, or maybe today you are touching, your toes overhead. One more big breath in. Big breath out. And rise back up. And we'll take a half pigeon on the other side, facing the back of your bed. So just bend your left knee in, extend your right leg long. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable, sink into it, settle in. Staying lifted today so we can slowly energize using the benefit of the back bend that's naturally in this pose. You still want to allow yourself to relax. Whatever you don't need. So notice any gripping or tensing or flexing and let it go. And if it felt good on the other side, take some big neck circles in the opposite direction. Or if you carry a lot of tension in your traps, just lower one ear down to one shoulder, taking a couple of deep breaths into your left side. And come back to center, switch sides. Left ear to your left shoulder. Where else can you relax? Where else can you let go? And come back to center. Shift your weight into your left hip. Swing yourself around to face the side of your mat and place your left foot around your right inner thigh. Give yourself a moment here to adjust. And remember that we will fold forward first, warming up in the hips. So whenever you're ready, just hinge forward at your hips, folding forward as far as you would like to go today. And slowly rise. Turn to face your right foot. Squaring your chest and your hips off to your right foot. Big inhale to lengthen. Big exhale to fold. Taking a moment here to settle in. Wake up your hamstring. And if you did on the other side, reach your left arm overhead, lengthening out your whole left side body. One more big breath in. Big breath out. And slowly rise. Swing your legs around off the side of your bed. And take a moment to sit up tall. Reach your arms overhead. And take a big side body stretch. Or any other movement that serves you. Just pick one side. And then the other. Coming back to the day that you have ahead and how you would like to show up. Let's seal this practice, bringing your hands together at heart center. Good morning. Have a great day. Namaste.